Yeah? That's fine? Okay.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And can everyone please make sure they do not walk down the center aisle? No, no changing seats. So usual process, if you want to ask a question, please raise your hand and one of our volunteers will give you a microphone.
Only.
What language would you like to do the second?
Only. You can try Sinhalese if you want.
Coach, how do you assess Nepal's performance today? Because it's the first game against a big nation. How would you assess their performance today?
I mean, like, always, like, we came here to win games and, thinking of going into the second round, whatever it is, either way, like, we are playing for the first time. But overall, we went through our plans. The truth side is, like, batting 20 overs comfortably is an achievement against a top quality team, home side. But there are a few plans that, like, we couldn't execute enough during the bowling, like when we are second session. Kind of disappointing, but I think it's a lot to learn. I think boys are, like, really up to it, and we are looking forward for the next game.
Coach, in Sharad and Paras, they had an 80 plus run partnership today. It looks good, the batting, the potential wise. How would you rate that today?
They went through our plans, like, what we wanted was, like, around the 15th over to stay around 90 to 100 runs. So they got through us, like, what we wanted. But what we lacked was we didn't really finish well. We would have gone into 140, 145, would have been a different game. But overall, I'm very happy the quality of shots that they played, the aggressiveness that they had. Overall, it's a good game for Nepal team. We were looking anything over 145. Yes, I'm satisfied, but the final, the finish wasn't there. But overall, I think I'm happy with the way, especially the openers and then Sarath and Paras batted.
Puvudu, the expectations with the fast bowlers, do you think it was a bit too much, putting in some short stuff and trying to, get was it according to the plan, or was it a bit too much from our paces that you expected?
I think it was totally opposite the way we planned. Actually, we wanted to bowl at the stumps today, and I think talking to Sompal, he was struggling to hold the ball a bit. So it is not intentional. We wanted to bowl up, but it went short. So it's one of the days. I think I hope that they have learned a lot today.
Is there a certain brand of cricket that you want Nepal to shape into? Maybe not like Afghanistan's, maybe a Nepalese brand of cricket?
Of course, like I think looking at Nepal, the national team and the youngsters, they are technically really sound, and the most important part is, like, they all play very hard, they train hard. So that is what we are, and if you see, like, if you have followed us in Dubai in the qualifier, we played, like, kind of a very good brand of cricket. Like we went through, like, we fight every game to the last ball, top quality fielding, the bowlers executed plans, and the batters were very well aware of the chase, especially. We started in such a way and then finished it, like, in very high note. So that's what we really wanted to the way we wanted to play, and we just want to keep continuing it. But today was a slightly different game because I think everybody's mind was playing against full member country.
Coach, while talking about the individual players, what are the positive things you have observed in this game?
Last two games, actually, I'm happy the way Subhash and Sagar shaped up. Like we had this issue with the openers for a long time, and we started believing them. Like they were playing as a pair in the last 2-3 tournaments now. They are showing the quality, so I'm very happy about it. But still, they have to get more runs. But the quality is there, so the runs will come later on. And of course, Paras is leading from the front. He's showing the quality at this level. We missed today Ganendra because his wicket was very crucial. He's one of the guys who can score runs against this level. So, and then the fast bowling unit, early years, like we had lots of issue with the fast bowlers, and I'm happy with how the Sompal and Jitendra is shaping up. I hope that they will be the future for us.
So, are you expecting still second round chance?
We just want to go and win matches. I mean, we are really looking forward for the Afghanistan game. We have our plans. We just want to go and execute and see for the best. Like I mean, we still maintain a good net run rate, and for now, if the only chance is Bangladesh has to lose to Hong Kong. So whatever happened, on the other side, we cannot control. But we just want to go and win and have these 4 points to finish with 4 points.
Puhu, are you concerned with your bowling spinners, especially because once again it's Basanta and Abdusakti, those 8 overs that have been meaningful for Nepal in both the matches. Rest of the bowlers, they did not, let's say, look like taking wickets.
I'm not that worried about it because, two fast bowlers, they're shaping up well. Their improvement is I can see it, and they're on the right track. And Basanta and Shakti always lead in the pack. And Sagar has lots of talent, but still he needs more experience at this level. So he's shaping up well too. And we all know that there are few couple of few spinners in the pipeline to back home. So I think overall it's good.
Coach, do you think that